Hello guys, Rajnikant here. So today's video we're gonna discuss what are the different ways are there to iterate a list, right? So list is a part of the collection. So what are the different ways are there we can iterate or we can traverse a list, right? So that one we're gonna explain in details. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it immediately and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. So ultimately you will be get benefited out of it, right? So first let me explain you different ways. So as this list or this list type is a index based, so we can go for normal for loop. Second one, an for each loop, for each loop, and third one we can use one iterator, and the fourth one we can use streams for each, right? So these are the different ways are there to iterate our list, right? So here you can see already I have created a list. So it is always best we can use that generics to define a list, so to avoid those typecast or sometimes, right? So it's a string type. Okay, so here we go, right? So this collections, I mean this list already have a created. So list of string list equal to new array list, and I am adding multiple elements here, right? First Rajnikant and second Srikanth and here Deepika I am adding, right? So now let's see how we can traverse a list. Let's see that for loop. So how you can do simple for and int I equal to 0, sorry, int I equal to 0, I less than equal to list dot size and I plus plus. Okay, and let's print those values. System dot out dot println. Okay, so here we go. Semicolon is mandatory in Java, and here what we'll do, list dot get of that index I, right? This is one way. Let's run this one and we'll see in that console, right? It's got printed. Let's check that console. Okay, here we go. Just see, it's printing, right? So this is that one way. Rajnikant, Srikanth, Deepika, it's printing, right? So this is one way. Now let's see that next one for each loop, right? The same thing for here. What is the type we'll receive? String name colon, and that list we can pass here. Okay, and let me do that. System.out.println, system.out.println, and here we go, and let's print this name. Okay, and let me comment this code. Okay, so here we go. Now let me clear this console. I have cleared. Now let's run and we'll see. Okay, here we go. Just see, those elements are coming. We are traversing those elements, right? So here one advantage is that by using this for each loop, that advantage is that you no need to manually initializing or iterating that one, right? Int I equal to 0 and less than those checking those condition and incrementing that value, incrementing those I. So this is quite confusing, right? So while taking those initializing that one, you need to think that on whether shall I initialize with 0 or 1, right? I equal to 0 or 1, which one you need to take. And moreover here, I less than equal to list dot size. So we need to think whether I put a less than or greater than, I less than equal to or I less than. I greater than sorry I less than equal to list dot size, or I only less than, right? That time you need to think about it, right? But here in that for each loop, you don't need to do anything. There is no condition checking, there is no initializer, nothing. Directly you can iterate using like this, right? This is the advantage using this one, right? So now let's check next one. Let me comment this one. Next one, iterator, right? So how you'll use iterator? So first, iterate is the interface. Iterator is one interface, and those implementations are present in each collection classes, right? So here you are using array list, means in array list that implementation is there. And how we'll get that implementation object? By calling that, by calling some method in that list. So iterator list dot it iterator, right? So on this method, if you call, you will return an object. Control Shift O. Let me import this one. Okay, it's got imported. Now we need to iterate. So how we'll do? While iterator dot has next, mean if any elements are there, next element is there, so it will return a boolean. This is also an interview question. Iterator dot has next, what it will return. And let me do that. System dot out dot println. Here we go. And iterator dot next dot next. Done. Now let me clear that console and we'll run it. Let's run. Right, you can see those elements are coming. Right, so hope you got this one, iterator. Now let me comment this one. And the last one, this is that Java 8 streams. On streams, how can you do? So list dot stream dot for each, and here at lambda expression you can pass. So we are getting string or name, whatever, and system dot out dot printl, and you can pass it here that name. Okay, so here we go. Sorry, control, what happened? Control Z. Okay, single lines of code, right? This is pretty simple. Now let me run this one as well. Right click and run as Java main application. Okay, sorry, my bad. Here we need to pass this argument, right? Whatever you are receiving, whether it's a parameter. So let me run it again. Run Java application, right? So you can see it's printing, right? So these are the different ways how you can iterate on list, right? Hope you got a clear idea. So let me see here. Instead of this lambda, we can pass method reference. Let me try system println. Something showing wrong. Okay, let be control Z. Something went wrong. Okay, these are the different ways how you can iterate that one, right? So hope this video will be helpful for you people. Please don't forget to like and share and comments in this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.